Isang magandang pagkakataon nung ating mga kapanayam ngayong araw na ito, si Father Conrado Balweg, ang pinuno po ng Cordillera Budong Administration at ng Cordillera People's Liberation Army.
Since the Cory administration, lumakas ang NPA. Kasi yung panahon ni Marcos, malapit na kami bumagsak noon eh. It was only the Cordillera Group that saved the situation. Pero nung dumating yung Cory administration, biglang lumakas yung NPA. Dahil pinalakas nga ng gobyerno, di ba? In the final analysis, it is the strength of the military that is vital in the defeat of the NPA. Pag hindi malakas yung militar, ay paano naman magkaroon ng lakas ng loob ang mamamayan para suportahan ng gobyerno o makiisa sa gobyerno dahil pinapatay din sila ng NPA. So in the end, it is the military that should be strengthened and supported by the whole government machinery as the principal force to go against the NPA. Mas marami ang pinatay ng NPA na mahirap na mamayan kaysa yung napatay ng mga AFP noon. Ang napapalabas parang ang AFP ang nagkakamali. Pero if you look at the data, mas maraming pinatay ng NPA. Even missionaries, priests, in the Cordilleras, si Father Leo, an old missionary, they just liquidated him and inilibing nila na hindi na namin alam kung nasaan si Father Leo. Yung mga Protestant pastors, yung mga tribal leaders na ang dami nilang pinatay, maski yung mga liquidation sa mga bata. Ay, ang dami. If you put together how many were killed by the NPAs in the Cordillera, is not even 50% of what was in the meantime killed sa crossfire by the AFP.
Hinubaran nila, tinali nila. Tapos, nilagyan nila ng alambre ang kanyang penis. So, nanonood ako. I was an 18-year-old kid. Tapos, sasabihin nila akong sunod, di ba? Tumutorture sila for the fun of it. They feel exuberant if they hold sway over the life and death of a person. One important impact of Bongbong Marcos winning the vice presidency is he's just one step away from the presidency. And now he is in a more dangerous vantage position to reimpose martial law, if ever. He found nothing wrong with it. In fact, he said it's a good government at the time. So anyone who believes that martial law was great has, of course, the capacity to impose it once he is faced with the same situation that Marcos had during martial law. Napakalungkot pag kinalimutan natin ang maraming namatay, maraming nakulong, maraming na-torture, at maraming nagdusa. So, ang danger dyan is the amnesia.
Mahal na Kanere, malam na makabayang pagbati sa iyo at lahat ng iyong tagatangkilik. Kasama ako sa maraming kababayan na umaasang ikay maging senador. Kailangan sa Senado ang isang katulad mo, makabayan, malinis at maningning ang record sa Kongreso, matalino at magiting. Natitiyak naming ipaglalaban mo ang mga pambansa demokratikong karapatan at interes ng sambayanang Pilipino.